So you've got this amazing business idea brewing and you're ready to make it official here in South Africa. Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to break down all the essential steps to give that dream a solid, formal foundation by registering it as a private company.
I mean, this quote from Mzansi magazine just nails it, right? It really gets to the core of why this matters. Your ambition, your idea, it's not just for you. It's a vital part of the entire economy. So let's make sure we give it the strong legal structure it absolutely deserves. Here's a quick look at our game plan. We've set this up as a simple roadmap. We'll kick things off with the why, then dive into the step-by-step how, and finally, we'll look ahead at what comes next.
All right, first up, your entrepreneurial dream. Before we even get into the paperwork, let's talk strategy. Because, choosing your legal structure isn't just about ticking a box. It is one of the very first and most crucial decisions you're going to make for your new business.
So that brings us to Section 2, why a Pty Liability. You see this acronym everywhere, right? But what is it that makes this specific structure such a popular go-to choice for ambitious entrepreneurs in South Africa? Let's unpack its biggest strengths. Okay, so when you look at these 4 advantages, don't just see them as a list. They all work together. Limited liability, that's your personal shield. And the credibility that gives you, well, that's what helps attract clients and investors. And when it's time to raise capital, you've got a formal structure to work with. It's really the whole package for both protection and growth.
You hear this term, limited liability, thrown around all the time. But what does it actually mean for you and your stuff? It's probably the single most important concept to get your head around, so let's make it crystal clear right now.
Here it is in the simplest terms. Your business becomes its own legal person. So if the company ever runs into debt or faces a lawsuit, they go after the company's assets, not your personal assets. Your house, your car, your savings, all of it stays protected. It's like the ultimate financial firewall between your business life and your personal life.
Okay, it's time to get practical with our registration roadmap. This is your step-by-step guide to taking that brilliant idea and making it official with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, or as you'll come to know it, the CIPC.
These first 5 steps are your foundation. You start with the fun part, picking out a killer name that's unique. Then you create the company's rule book, its constitution, which has a fancy name, the Memorandum of Incorporation, or MoA. After that, it's pretty straightforward. Gather your docs, submit the application, pay the fee, and you are well on your way. And hey, here's a pro tip for you, a real lifesaver. Get all of these documents on this checklist scanned and ready to go before you even start the online application. I promise you, being prepared right here will make the whole process so much smoother and save you a massive headache down the line.
Once that application is approved and you get your official certificate, which is a huge moment by the way, these next 4 steps are what make your business fully operational. You'll get registered with SARS, open a separate bank account to keep those finances clean, and get familiar with your ongoing compliance duties.
So, getting registered is a massive milestone, for sure. But it's really just the starting line of the journey. Now, let's take a look at the dynamic, exciting, and sometimes challenging world your new company is about to enter. This gives you a really honest snapshot of the current landscape. On the left, you've got these incredible opportunities: digital transformation, sustainability, innovation. These are areas that are absolutely booming. But on the right, you've got to be ready for the challenges: economic uncertainty, skill shortages, and of course, some fierce competition. A smart entrepreneur always keeps one eye on both sides of this coin. All right, to round things out, we've put together some of the most common questions people ask about registering a Pty Ltd. Let's tackle them head-on and clear up any fog that might still be lingering.
This one comes up all the time, especially for busy entrepreneurs who are trying to get things done as efficiently as humanly possible. And the answer is a big, resounding yes. The CIPC's online portal has made this whole process so much more accessible. Honestly, being able to manage just about everything from your own computer is a total game changer.
Okay, this is such an important follow-up question. I mean, getting registered is one thing, but how do you stay on the right side of the law year after year? It's a common worry, so let's break it down. Staying compliant really just boils down to 3 key things each year. First, file your annual returns with the CIPC. This keeps your company active on their system. Second, keep accurate financial statements. And third, make sure you meet all your tax obligations with SARS. Just putting these 3 things on your calendar is absolutely crucial for the long-term health of your business.
As we wrap up, I want you to remember this. All these steps, all these forms, they're just the framework.
They exist to support your vision, your passion, and your commitment to building something that truly, truly matters.
So there you have it. You've got the information. The path to making your business official is laid out right in front of you. Now the only question left is the most exciting one of all. What incredible dream are you going to build?